All right, and then I guess.
Are you gonna get me in this? I love you.
Little bone, doggy. All right. Here, come get the bone. Come get the bone. Come get the bone.
Oh, should I go?
Yeah.
Should I go? Give me the bone.
Drop the key.
All right.
Shing, we're out.
Somehow I think you're a little out of period, Jessica. Thriller.
I mean, they hit that tree.
Oh, I just broke my finger. What?
She cut her finger.
Is she okay? I need the wooden stake.
You need a garlic clove.
Here. He is bleeding. Give me the one. It's right there. I stuck him already. Oh, dang it.